Hi everyone, this is Regional Vibes. Today we're going to talk about which martial art you should learn. From outside, it seems all martial arts are the same and doing the same thing. So you can learn any martial arts. But the thing is, every martial art focuses on different things. Of course, there are similarities, but all those martial arts are not the same. So when you think about learning martial art, it is up to you to decide which martial art will be the best for you. Why are you going to learn martial arts? So why do you want to learn martial arts for the first place? Is it because you love this sports and you want to be a popular fighter and participate in the fighting competition? You want to be a champion? If this is what you want, you should learn martial arts that focuses on sports. If you want to learn martial arts for self-defense and that's your focus, you should choose only those martial arts that focuses on specific thing, that is fighting in real life situation. Fighting in a fighting competition and fighting to survive, that's a totally different story. Someone can be a good fighter in the ring, but when it comes to street fight or fighting to survive, that is totally different. Your mindset is different. The way you fight and respond and take action, that's different. Even your attack and defense, those things are different. And many things you learn in martial art training that will be useless when it comes to self-defense in real life situation. Your focus behind learning martial arts can change everything. So if your objective is to learn self-defense, you should learn martial arts like Krav Maga, Wing Chun, that makes you be a good fighter on the street. You learn how to defend yourself in a real life situation, what to do on the situation based on your observation. This is very important when you choose any martial arts. If you learn martial arts that focuses on sports and you think you will be a very good fighter in the street or in real life to defend yourself, yes, you can be a very good fighter and learn self-defense, but that takes a long way to achieve that. So your first thing should be choose a martial art that can help you to fight in real life situation, that help you to understand the situation and take action based on reality. So that's my thought. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.